Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the AOC AGON Pro AG274QGM mini LED monitor. So friends, the AGON by AOC announces the AGON Pro AG274QGM mini LED monitor with super fast speed thanks to NVIDIA Reflex. And friend, a 27-inch AG274QGM gaming monitor showcases the IPS panel with QHD resolution, 2560 x 1440 pixels display, touching 300Hz refresh rate, NVIDIA G-SYNC ultimate support, and offers NVIDIA's Reflex Analyzer application suite. And friend, it caters to premium gaming experience that all gamers as well as professional competitive esport players. And friend, this unique gaming display utilizes superior refresh rate of 300Hz and an amazing 1 millisecond GTG response time. And friend, it offers a QHD resolution in its display, upcoming standard in display in terms of accessing high frame rate and supreme visual fidelity seamlessly. And friend, the wide Gamut IPS panel of the AG274QGM guarantees larger viewing angles and fantastic color accuracy backed with NVIDIA's patent color combination. And friend, the mini LED backlight of the display captures a wide 576 dimmable zones, enabling the monitor to reach VESA display HDR 1000 certification, offering bright visuals. And friend, the mini LED backlight of the display captures a wide 576 dimmable zones, enabling the monitor to reach VESA display HDR 1000 certification, offering bright visuals and deep blacks with the highly immersive gaming experience. And when it comes with a refresh rate of 300Hz, so it can be considered top speed mini LED monitor. And friend, the display is powered with the NVIDIA G-SYNC ultimate technology, enabling gamers benefits such as variable refresh rate, eliminating tearing and stuttering, and reducing input lag when utilizing HDR's high fidelity features. And friend, the NVIDIA G-SYNC module enable variable overdrive, optimizing pixel responsiveness for changes in refresh rate and ghosting free experience. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.